Cooler fall weather is finally arriving in the Treasure Valley, and for grape growers like here at Rolling Hills Vineyard in Eagle, they're grateful it didn't happen sooner. Just 6 weeks ago, they weren't so sure they would see a harvest this year, but warmer than average October temperatures got them to the finish line. So there will be red wine.
There will be red wine, thank God.
Mark Pasculi is breathing a sigh of relief.
Yes, we made it.
A late spring start plus record-setting summer, he set his Eagle Vineyard growing a variety of grapes behind schedule.
That's farming. You know, you just hope to get enough good days during the year to make it all work. It worked itself out.
When we first met in early September, these purple grapes were all still bright green, far from ripe. So they started pruning, pulling off literally tons of fruit, hoping the plants would prioritize energy into ripening grapes left behind. And turns out it paid off. So what you left on there got nice and sweet to how you needed it,
yeah.
But you just ended up with less?
Yes, yeah, we ended up with less because it's a calculated risk, and basically the weather had scared me off enough that we thinned quite a bit of it just to make sure the crop we got was going to be a good one, and fortunately it's turning out to be very good.
But it's a little ironic. The extreme heat put a pause on fruit growth through the summer, but the higher than average temperatures through the first few weeks of October turned out to be the best case scenario, pushing harvest right in line with the upcoming first fall freeze.
October was really a blessing. The weather was beautiful. It was perfect for the vineyard to help the fruit continue to ripen. So we got the October we needed without a doubt.
Now, the grapes picked for rosé in this harvest will hit their tasting room sometime next spring or summer, but these grapes destined for red wine will make their debut sometime after 2024. You can learn more about their tasting room in this story on IdahoNews6.com. Reporting in Eagle, I'm Karen Lair, Idaho News 6.